Welcome back. Continuing to work on the YUZHEN Fairyland little Japanese miniature build. Last time we worked on these 3 little tables. 2 of them had the little gongs on them. 1 of them had a little miniature cherry tree. And we also made an extra mini cherry tree, which I imagine we'll use later in the build. But for now, he's an extra. We're going to move on and make this mirror. And it says, before making, cut M06 out according to the template. M06 is the mirror paper. So that will be in the main bag here. Cut it out according to the template. Right here on this big one with A27 up here. It's right down here, M06. And we also need J09. And that is right here. Move that to the top. Gonna let that dry a little and then we pull this blue film off. And we'll move on and go ahead and do this bathroom cabinet. And here it says, before making, cut out M01 according to the template. So we need to find M01. M01 is more of the silky white cloth. So we need to find the template to cut that. Up here it says M01. Here it's M01-4. And that's right here on this A27 paper, piece 1 of 3. Here is our M01-4 pattern. And here's our piece of cloth. Our little piece of fabric. Now we need J10, 11, 2 12s, and a 13. So here's our J10, J11, 2 12s, and a 13. It works. Things don't want to slide along this mat. They slid on my cutting mat, but I was getting too much glue on it. So this is better for the glue problem, but nothing wants to slide on it. So this helps. Anywho, now we need N02, back to our packet of beads. It's a little white square bead. There's 2 of them, but we only need 1. That's that there. And we need 1 of these little black beads again. So there's our little black bead. M12 wire gold. So we want the gold wire, and that is in here. And there we go. It's way down in here. And there's our gold wire. And next we have A26-7. That is on this single sheet that we've been cutting out all along. It's right here, A26-7. And now they're showing for us to glue J13, the one with the oval hole, on top of A26-7. We want to take J11, which is the back, and glue it to the back of one of these sides. Next, they want us to put the sides on, and then lastly the front. And these go this way. The long length is top to bottom. We want 1.2 centimeters, and this is how we need to fold it. 0.8 and a 0.2 over top. And they're basically just having us glue it freestanding on the corner. Take our little square white bead and glue our little black tiny seed bead on it. And then we glue this to the corner. go. Now my faucet is a little wonky, but I'm just glad it's in the upright position. And that is our little, what they call this, bathroom cabinet. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day.